Imagine booking a dream cruise in the Caribbean. Tropical drinks, ocean breeze, midnight buffets. Now imagine waking up drenched in kitchen sludge that smells like leftover regret. Welcome aboard, folks. This is Lido Deck News, where we serve you cruise headlines fresh, unlike the liquid nightmare that recently rained down on poor Pam and Ken Jackson. Pam and Ken, a lovely couple from the UK, were enjoying a relaxing night aboard the Marella Explorer 2, a ship in TUI's European fleet. That is, until their ceiling exploded with what Ken described as a horrible slush that smelled like vomit and broken dreams. They were literally soaked head to toe in kitchen waste. I'd say it was like a cruise-themed episode of Fear Factor, but even Joe Rogan would have tapped out. The sludge invaded everything. The bed, their clothes, their medication. Pam described it best. It flowed all over the bed and out through the door. The only thing missing, a tiny lifeboat to sail their shoes to safety. TUI Cruises did apologize and moved them to a new stateroom, with a balcony. But the cruise chaos didn't end there. They had to beg for a new mattress, wrestle with broken air conditioning and sleep with one eye open, just in case the ceiling struck again. For their trouble, they got a partial refund and $470 in compensation, which barely covers the trauma of waking up in someone else's soup. Ken, Pam, you deserved better. At least throw in a free bottle of wine and a tetanus shot. Let this be a lesson, friends. Always pack a poncho, even indoors. And hey, if you've ever had your own cruise catastrophe, spill the tea in the comments. I promise it won't leak through the ceiling. Question of the day. Would you stay on the ship after that? Or would you be swimming to the nearest port? Subscribe to Lido Deck News for more cruise headlines, the good, the bad, and the downright slushy. I'm Captain Lido, fully automated and now slightly traumatized.